In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Roth IRA on Robinhood. So the first thing you want to do is you want to first of all load into your Robinhood account like you normally would. Go to the bottom menu and select on your profile picture just like so. Then you want to go ahead and select on this option that says retirement. And also you should see an option that says retirement somewhere else on the screen as well. But the point is you want to select on retirement and then it is going to give you the option to create a Roth IRA and you want to select on Roth IRA. So the way it works is you need to have a pre-existing Robinhood account in order to get a Robinhood IRA. So before you can open a retirement account, you will need to have the investing account right over here in good standing. And obviously you're able to do that by downloading the Robinhood app or signing up on their website and completing the onboarding steps with your personal information like your name, address, social security number, and etc. And of course to link a bank account to fund your investments and IRA contributions. Okay, so in order to make a Robinhood Roth IRA account, you need to be at least 18 years old, a US citizen with a permanent residence or valid visa holder. You'll need to provide a valid social security number and a United States address. So that's all you need to do, and then it is going to walk through the entire process within the Robinhood app itself, and you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.